Hey, I'm Stacy George and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. And I wanted to share with you some things I did with pre-service teachers after taking the AI Explorations and its practical use in their schools course. Come on, follow me. I'll tell you more about it. So I took projects from ISTE's hands-on AI project guides and massaged them into my courses, exposing pre-service teachers in engaging ways to incorporate AI into their lessons.
In our science class, we used artificial intelligence to help us classify pollinated versus non-pollinated plants.
If you don't do some of the items, classifying them as not a flower, they'll just say not pollen.
The experiences that we had with AI in our coursework were very similar to how we used it in our fieldwork.
Introduction of AI as a tool for learning and continuing the deepening of that learning is an essential step in helping our students be ethical in their use of technology.
3 second grade pre-service teachers co-planned as a grade level and implemented a social studies lesson.
We used AI to help the students classify local versus non-local foods, so grown versus flown.
So first, they were able to sort the fruits and veggies physically.
What fruit is this?
Once they were familiar with the content, then they were able to train the Google Teachable machine to recognize local versus global foods.
It kept the students engaged. It was something different from what they're normally used to.
Thumbs up for grown, thumbs down for flown.
It's fun for them, and they get really interested in what they're doing.
AI is cool because it helps me learn what is grown and flown.
The experimentation in how it could enhance learning is how we'll get to that innovative practice, and I think that's what we all want.
I think that introducing AI into the classroom and finding innovative ways to utilize AI tools can help pre-service teachers to see their own creative potential for building deeper learning of the content for their students.
I think that teaching AI in schools could be beneficial, especially because it's something that I think will be very prevalent in the students, their careers in the future.
The way we approach the lesson helped them to understand more about its purpose and how it can actually help us.
I think it would also help them answer some of their questions they might have or work through their thinking more easily since they know how to use technology.
They had a really fun experience.